project Help Cloud. We build apps for Google Glass. And we're here because we won Startup Weekend DC last week. The core team consists of 2 world-class glass developers and 2 amazing designers. And we've spent the last week trying to rearrange our lives to pursue this startup. I'll let you in on our first challenge. We could really use $10,000. With the money, we can begin development today and create the web platform even before the Glass device is released to all the other developers. So Glass is part of a wave of advanced wearable technology we want to be part of. It'll be released to about 10,000 early adopters in about a month, and to the rest of the public by the end of the year. It's wearable, it has a camera, a screen above the right eye, voice activation. You can take pictures, videos, make voice video calls, get search and directions. And Google is actively encouraging an ecosystem of developers, and we want to be part of that. So our app aims to solve a problem that we think current technology can't solve very well, which is instant help. So let's say you have a problem, your computer's acting up, the screen's frozen, you call someone, you fumble through an explanation, you have to take your computer all the way to the Genius Bar or the Geek Squad. Those guys look at it for like 30 seconds and figure it out. And you wish they could have seen it through your eyes when you were still at home. So I'll give you 3 more examples. You're putting together IKEA furniture and the directions are a little confusing. You're struggling with the Thanksgiving turkey. Or you get a flat tire and could use a little advice. Help Cloud will be an online marketplace for instant help. Instead of calling up AAA when the engine cuts out immediately, you could begin by calling Help Cloud and getting a mechanic on our network, or a partner business, or someone who just knows cars, to see through your camera and talk you through as you have both hands to solve the problem. Trying to address the issue of instant help before wearable technology would have been like trying to create Uber before the smartphone. Right? Now is the time to do this. And the business model is straightforward. It's you pay the mechanic in Iowa, or the techie dude in Florida who helped you. We get a little cut, like Airbnb for troubleshooting or eBay for problem solving. And we also want to have partnerships with companies like Best Buy and Home Depot to improve the customer service they're already offering. So why us? We have 2 of the best glass developers in the world, period. Google has 10,000 explorers and 150 pioneers, an elite group of developers they invited to 2 hackathons. Our developers are both pioneers, and our CTO, Antonio, won the New York hackathon. So my background is not in business, it's in internet freedom. I was the lead lawyer for net neutrality, and last year, Fast Company magazine named me one of the 100 most creative people in business for my leadership in fighting SOPA. We've never done a startup. We're developing for a new technology. We don't even know all the things we don't know. I spent the whole week with mentors trying to figure that out. And we're trying to figure out things like fundraising, like today. So let me tell you what we'll do with the money. So a tech company is cheap. The servers are $300 a month. The designers are awesome and going to work nights and weekends for free, and I've already begun. But we need our CTO full-time immediately. He's already developed for Glass and can build the web infrastructure even before the Glass device is released to 10,000 other developers. So with the money, if we get the 10,000, Antonio will quit his job on Monday and work full-time, and your money will go to 330 packets of ramen noodles, about 60 pounds of dried rice and dried beans, half his rent. We've done the math, we've negotiated with his wife. Antonio is cheap to keep alive and programming. So we're going to be counting pennies, but we're thinking big, trying to solve everyday problems with tomorrow's technology. Wayne Gretzky said that a great player skates to where the puck is going, not where it is now, and that's what we're trying to do, and we're trying to build this company here in DC. So think big with us. Liberate Antonio and help us build the next great company here in DC. Be our seed round effectively.